So in the frame of the LUMEN project, DLR aimed to improve its competence in rocket engine system know-how by developing, manufacturing and operating a LOX methane 30 kilonewton expander bleed cycle engine. And this engine is rather unique in Europe as it's basically composed of all the necessary components we need to operate a rocket engine. But in contrast to, let's say, flight engines, it's stretched out. It has more space for implementation of sensors and the like. It's a modular setup which allows partners from industry or from institutions to introduce their own technologies into this rocket engine testbed to mature them to a higher technology readiness level. We had very excellent first test runs with our LUMEN Demonstrator, which demonstrated that our component design philosophy was right from the start. We developed all the components in-house, step by step, at the PA test facility, introduced the results in our system analysis tools, and provided the boundary conditions for our next development steps. And this approach proved to be the right one for us. So we are very confident that our models that we developed during the development process are actually correct. And we are very confident that with these models we can actually contribute to future European projects. The DLR site of Lampertshausen features unique test facilities in Europe. They're owned by the European Space Agency and operated by DLR. But we also have DLR-owned test facilities on site like P8, which we are now standing in. And this test facility is also unique in its capabilities to support development programs for high-pressure combustion in rocket engines. And in this test cell, it was that we tested the LUMEN Demonstrator. And the LUMEN Demonstrator in itself is unique in Europe. So we're not in an ivory tower here. We're trying to give away our knowledge in cryogenic combustion and also on rocket engines in general to interested parties all over Europe, especially in Germany. And we're trying to diffuse this knowledge into the community to enable new startups and legacy companies to profit from our competences here and to come up with new ideas, new designs for future reusable rocket engines to make a difference in the market, to secure Europe's autonomous and affordable access to space.